we go with the 110 carburetor disassembly. Let's take the bowl off. It's probably nasty in there. I soaked it in mineral spirits, so hopefully that did a little bit of good. Ooh, that's pretty yucky. It doesn't look too bad. That sucker's stuck in there. The pin is stuck. As you can see, there's a pin in there. Let me get some needle nose. How'd it come? Come on. There we go. As you can see, got the pin out. Take the float out. Careful not to lose your little piece right here. Float. Doesn't seem to have any holes in it. Ejector screw. Throttle adjustment screw. Well, it doesn't look too bad. There's quite a bit of corrosion on that. Nothing that can't be cleaned though. Taking this screw out. As you can see, it's pretty corroded also. Let's see here. So we'll take this out. Doesn't look too bad. Don't want to bend that little tip on there. Going to clean it up with the wire brush and some carburetor cleaner. The spring out from there. So that's pretty much taken apart, and now I'm gonna scrub it down, and I will start filming when I put it back together.